The most important reason to choose a cochlear implant is to hear your best. AB has led the industry in advanced sound processing technology designed to help recipients hear more of their world. AB's technology has been engineered to automatically work together for the best possible hearing. AB was the first to introduce fine timing technology with high-res sound processing that provides access to more timing details of sound and gives recipients a 29% improvement in speech understanding in noise over conventional sound processing. Building upon this technology, the high-res platform continues to lead the way in performance improvements for AB recipients. High-res Fidelity 120 is the only sound processing that uses current steering and delivers up to 120 spectral bands for the industry's most detailed frequency information. Designed for improving speech recognition and increasing music enjoyment, High-res Fidelity 120 provides 5 times more resolution than any other system on the market. Recipients gained an 11% improvement in speech understanding in noise with the introduction of this technology. Research also showed that AB recipients enjoy music 2.5 times more than recipients of other cochlear implant systems. Complementing High-res Fidelity 120, Clear Voice is the industry's only speech enhancement technology. Clinically proven to deliver superior performance, only Clear Voice separates the distracting noises from voices so that conversations and music lyrics can be enjoyed more easily and with more clarity. With Clear Voice technology, recipients gained another 22% improvement in speech understanding in noise. Advanced Bionics remains committed to leading the industry with innovations that deliver the best possible hearing performance for enjoying life to the fullest. Imagine what breakthroughs from AB will come next.